Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious agua fresca. It's a strawberry passion fruit juice that I know that you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Are my ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, passion fruit pulp. I have here strawberries, water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious strawberry passion fruit juice. So let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup. I have my saucepan here and I'm going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of water, and let's take it to the stove and start making the simple syrup. And you know something, it really doesn't take too long. Here in my saucepan you could see the granulated sugar on the bottom. In a couple minutes the water starts getting cloudy and kind of a little yellow. And then, you know something, it's clear just like that. And when it's nice and clear, it's time to remove it from the heat and put it in a cup so it starts getting at room temperature. And now I am going to continue with my strawberries. We're going to go ahead to the sink and just rinse them out completely. This is a very important step. You want to make sure that you rinse completely your strawberries. And these are completely done. Now here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just save 2 for the decoration, and the rest of the strawberries I'm going to start slicing them. But first I'm going to take the little stems off of every single one. Once I've done that, I'm going to start cutting it in very small little cubes. The smaller the better, because remember, when you slice your strawberries really small, they release all the delicious flavor into the water, and that's exactly what we want. Let me show you. Just like that, I'm going to continue with the rest. Now I am completely done with the strawberries. I'm going to go ahead and just add them here in my little plate. And to this, I'm going to add just a couple of tablespoons of the passion fruit pulp. We want to go ahead and add it in here because this is going to be the decoration of our pitcher. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and let me show you how the passion pulp looks. This is organic because I have a vine of passion fruit here at home. But when you go to the supermarket and you buy it, of course, you're only buying the passion fruit pulp with no seeds at all. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the seeds from the juice. And let me show you how I do it. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my blender cup. And to this, I'm going to add just a little bit water. And we're going to just blend it for just 1 to 2 seconds. You really don't need to blend it too long. That's all. That's everything we need. Now, what I'm going to do is put it through a sifter and get all the delicious juice out of the passion pulp. Look at this. You could really see all the seeds right there. Look. We're just going to mix it around until we get all the delicious juice. And this is exactly what we don't want. All the seeds. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. I'm going to add my pinch of salt. The salt is very important because it's really going to bring up the flavors of the fruit. And here I'm adding my simple syrup, and I'm only adding half of the simple syrup. But remember, the sugar is to taste. Now I am ready to start adding a couple tablespoons into my pitcher, and of course ice. The more ice you add, the more refreshing this strawberry passion fruit juice will be. Now I am ready to start pouring in the juice of the passion fruit. Look at the color, a bright, bright yellow. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to really enjoy it. Look at this. I'm going to mix it around and just incorporate everything. You could see the little pieces of strawberry. And let me show you from close up so you could see how this looks. This looks amazing and delicious. And of course, I added one passion fruit in half. Look at this. You could really see the texture inside. Of course, I decorated my glass the same way. Now I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. I am completely done with this delicious agua fresca strawberry passion fruit juice. I know that you guys are going to love it and enjoy it. But you know something? This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. The passion fruit flavor is so intense, so delicious. And the strawberry, well, this is amazing. Perfect for this hot weather. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I will stay enjoying this refreshing strawberry passion fruit juice. I'll see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.